how to apply a background image to your Samsung keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on Good Lock. So you want to open up the Good Lock app or the theme park app. Now if you don't have this on your phone, you need to install it. You can install it from the Galaxy Store. So go to Galaxy Store and then tap on the search button and type in Good Lock. Here you can download Good Lock and install it. Once you install Good Lock, you can also install Theme Park in here as well, Theme Park. So just install Good Lock first, and then we open up Good Lock, and in here it will list a different modules that you can download. So just simply tap on Theme Park to download it. Once you have downloaded, you can then open it. From here, we can create a new keyboard, or you can apply it to an assistant keyboard. So by default, there should be no keyboards in here. So what you want to do is tap on Create New, and then tap on this image icon in here, and tap on Gallery. Next, in your gallery, select a pictures that you want to use, and then tap on Applied. Okay, so once you have selected an image, you can also customize your keys color if you wanted to. Here, I can apply a background color to my keyboard. I can change the key color, text color of the keys, and the color of the keys as well. So I can apply the background color. So let me try to select a different color. Blue. Okay, so we've got blue letters on pop-up. Here we can use cyan. So cyan on the key. And here we can select kind of green color. So green keys. So you can apply a background image as well as customize your keys color if you wanted to. Otherwise, you can just clear them out and just use the default. Next, tap on the save button at the top here, and you need to give your keyboard a name. So let's say keyboard picture. And then tap on OK. Okay, so you need to tap on that, and then tap on Applied. Then tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now let's bring up the keyboard and take a look. So this one here is supposed to have a background image, but it's not. So we're going to go back and double check in here. And tap on Edit. So tap on Image, Gallery. Somehow that didn't save the pictures. So we do it again. I might have accidentally deleted. So we tap on Save button. So I'll give it a new name. Tap on OK. Picture 1. Then tap on Applied. Now we go back in here, Note. And here you can see the keyboard now have a background image. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.